Hello, hello student. I am Kanerkar LM in RVNB College Sirampur. Welcome to my video lectures. Now today video lectures start the most important unit, most important physiological process that are called as a photosynthesis. Now photosynthesis is one of the unique process that are also takes place in all green plants as well as some of the bacteria, This photosynthesis process takes place within all green plants as well as some of these bacteria. Then another like this physiological process. Photo means light. Photo means light, and synthesis means form. Synthesis of complex organic food means synthesis of food. Synthesis of organic food or organic compound, organic food from simple inorganic substances. From simple inorganic substances. Organic substances like carbon dioxide, that is carbon dioxide and water. Synthesis of complex organic food from simple inorganic substances like the carbon dioxide and water. That is raw material in the process of photosynthesis. Now this process of photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy. Light energy converted to chemical energy in the chemical energy. These are the photosynthesis process. Trap the solar energy and convert into a chemical energy. It requires the chlorophyll pigments. Different type of chlorophyll pigment like the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, carotenes as well as phycobilin. They are the different chlorophylls, but these are the chlorophyll pigments. Now therefore photosynthesis process is transformation of light energy into chemical energy. They are in simple word. Now this photosynthesis is a main source. It is a main source because these are the main source of energy. Main source of energy to heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means these are depends on the others. Autotrophs means they prepare their own food. See, now this process of photosynthesis is main source of energy to all living organisms. These are also called as all living organism. Heterotrophs are all living organisms. They provide food. They provide the food to heterotrophs. These are called heterotrophs. These are the important features. Hence, the process of photosynthesis is an energy trapping process. They trap the solar trapping process means trap the solar energy and convert into chemical energy, and process of photosynthesis takes place within the all green plant as well as some of these cyanobacteria. Example like this cyanobacteria also takes place the process of photosynthesis. Means photo means light and synthesis means formation, means to synthesis of organic food or glucose from simple inorganic substance like carbon dioxide and water. Therefore, light energy is a transformation of solar energy or light energy into chemical energy. Means it requires the chlorophyll pigments. Then another, the photosynthesis is one of the main source of energy to all living organisms. Therefore, this process of photosynthesis, they provide the food to heterotrophs. These are the introductory part. Now, what is photosynthesis? Actually, what is photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is one of the physical process. It is a physical process or physiochemical process. It is a physico-chemical process. Now, process of photosynthesis is a synthesis of or formation of complex organic food in bracket glucose in the form of glucose from simple inorganic substance like carbon dioxide and water, and with the help of chloroplast and light in presence of light and released CO2 released O2 as a byproduct. Released O2 as a byproduct. These are the simple definition of photosynthesis. Means synthesis of complex organic compound C6H12O6. These are also called as a glucose. Now, from simple inorganic substance like the carbon dioxide as well as water in the presence of, with the help of chloroplast, in presence of light. This as well as there is a release the O2 as a byproduct. 6CO2, 12H2O. These are the general equation of process of photosynthesis. Means synthesis of complex organic compound means glucose from simple inorganic substance like the carbon dioxide and water. These are the raw material in the process of photosynthesis, and product of photosynthesis like the glucose means carbohydrate. And these process of photosynthesis, only the process of photosynthesis, they release the atmospheric carbon oxygen in the atmosphere. Release the oxygen in the atmosphere. These are the only one process. Photosynthesis is to release the oxygen in the atmosphere. These are the energy. These are also called as a oxygenic process. Okay. Now these are the definition. Simple definition. Now this process of photosynthesis, the synthesis of or formation of complex organic compound from simple inorganic substance like the carbon dioxide and water. These are the raw material in the process of photosynthesis. Then with the help of chloroplast, in presence of chlorophyll pigment, like the different type of chlorophyll pigment like chlorophyll A, xanthophyll, carotenes, chlorophyll. These are. Then in the presence of light, and to release the oxygen in the atmosphere. These are the oxygen releasing process only in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is oxygen releasing process in the atmosphere other than the other physiological process. The other physiological process does not release the oxygen in the atmosphere, but only photosynthesis release the oxygen in the atmosphere or in the atmosphere. Okay. Now these are the introduction. Now another like the process of photosynthesis takes place in all green plants. as well as cyanobacteria, as well as cyanobacteria. Now, suppose these are the higher plant. This process of photosynthesis takes place within the leaf. Within the leaf. Now, the leaf is a dorsi-ventrally flattened. These are the green. These are the dorsi-ventrally flattened green, and it consists of upper surface as well as lower surface. Upper surface as well as lower surface. Now this upper surface is covered by the a cuticle, thin or thick cuticle, covered by the a cuticle. Okay, now lower surface also covered with the cuticle, as well as a presence of stomata, Now this stomata, they are called as stomata, they are also covered with the cuticle. Thick or thin cuticles are covered by the upper epidermis. They are called as a upper epidermis. And lower surface, they are also called as a lower epidermis. And the small pore-like structure, they are also called as a stomata. And what is the function of stomata? Exchange of gas takes place through the stomata, and they are covered by a thick cuticle. They are called as a cuticle. Cuticles are covered on the upper surface as well as lower surface. Only stomata present only in lower surface and not upper surface. Now, in between this upper and lower surface, presence of tissues or cells. These cells are also called as a mesophyll cell. Now, these mesophyll cells are differentiated into mainly two types. These column-like cell, these column-like compactly arranged cells are also called as a palacyte tissue, but they are also mesophyll cell. These are the mesophyll cell. Then towards the lower surface, these are irregularly a spherical shaped cell. These are also called as a mesophyll cell. These are the mesophyll cell. Now these mesophyll cells, suppose these are the mesophyll cell. Now each mesophyll cell consists of a large vacuole as well as presence of a chloroplast. That is cell or is chloroplast. Then another presence of the circular DNA as well as RNA as well as ribosomes. Okay, these are the mesophyll cell. Now this mesophyll cell contain the plastid or chloroplast. Plastid, green colored plastid. They are called as a plastid. Now this plastid is a different shapes. Some of the lens shaped. Okay, these are the lens. It consists of two layers or bilayers. Two layers or double membrane. Outer membrane or inner membrane. Now this outer membrane, or they are also called as a periplastidium, or they are also called as a plastidome. They are called as a periplast. Periplastidium. These are the double layers. These are the double layer. Outer layer, inner layer. In between this outer and inner membrane, called as a intermembranous space. Intermembranous space. Now this inner side, or this both outer and inner membrane is made up of lipoproteinous. These are the made up of lipids and proteins. Both membrane, double membrane is made up of lipids and protein. Lipid and proteins. Membrane, both these membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. They are called as a lipidoproteins, or this in between this double membrane presence of space, they are called as intermembranous space or periplastidial space. They are also called as a plastidial space. They are called as periplastidial space. It contains a watery fluid. They are called as a periplastid fluid. त्यालाच काय periplastidial fluid. Okay. Now inside this inner membrane, presence of a proteinaceous, a gel-like fluid, they are also called as a stroma. They are called as a stroma. Now, this stroma contain the different enzymes as well as coenzymes. It contains different enzymes and coenzymes. Now, it shows some of these, it embedded a sac-like structure. These are coin-like structure. These are arranged one above the other and they look like this stack of coin. This stack of coin, they are also called as a granum. They are called as a granum. They are called as a granum. Okay. Now, this granum, these are the number of granums. Now these granum are interconnected with the help of these lamellae. With the help of a lamellae, they are also called as a intergrana lamellae, or they are also called as a stroma lamellae. They are called as stroma lamellae, or they are also called as a freight channels. They are called as a freight channel or freight channel. They are called as a freight channel. And these intergrana lamellae or these stroma lamellae are also help to the fixation of atmospheric carbon dioxide. Means fix the atmospheric carbon dioxide is the function of a intergrana lamellae, as well as these are also connect to each other, as well as rapid transport of material from one granum to the another granum with the help of this intergrana lamellae or stroma lamellae. Okay. Now each stroma lamellae, each granum, these are the granum, consists of number of sac-like double membrane structure. They are also called as a thylakoids. They are called thylakoids. They are called as a thylakoid. Now this thylakoid coated of its own thylakoid membrane, and this thylakoid membrane contain the pigment system or chlorophyll pigment system. Their pigment systems are located on the membrane of thylakoid membrane. Now inside this it shows these small particles. They are also called as a quantosome. They are called as a quantosomes. Now this quantosome. Now each quantosome is a spherical in shape and it contains the pigment system. Centrally chlorophyll A, and surrounding the chlorophyll A presence of accessory photosynthetic pigments. Means they are called as a reaction center and covered the accessory photosynthetic pigments. Okay, photosynthetic pigment like the chlorophyll B, xanthophyll, carotenes are surrounded by the chlorophyll A. They are called as accessory photosynthetic pigment, and chlorophyll A is an essential chlorophyll pigment because of these having ability to transfer or absorb the solar energy as well as convert into chemical energy. Hence chlorophyll A is also called as a reaction center. Okay, now these are the present within the thylakoids. Thylakoid contains number of small unit called as a or they are also called as a photosynthetic unit. Photosynthetic unit. Quantosome is also called as a photosynthetic unit because of that it contains the chlorophyll pigments or photosynthetic pigment, and photosynthetic pigment trap the solar energy and convert into a chemical energy. Hence these quantosomes are also called as a photosynthetic unit. Okay, now inside this inner membrane presence of a small or these are the proteinaceous fluid or gel-like fluid. They are also called as a stroma. Now this stroma contain circular DNA. They are the circular DNA. Now presence of DNA within this chloroplast, hence the chloroplast is a self-autonomous or self-replicating unit. Autonomously self-replicating unit. Why they are called as autonomous self-replicating unit? Because of these are presence of DNA. Then another presence of ribosomes. Presence of ribosome. Ribosome is a 17S type of ribosomes are present within the chloroplast, as well as another like the RNAs. Presence of RNAs. These are the site of photosynthesis takes place within the all green part of the plant body. Then each part means lip is upper surface as well as lower surface. In between this upper and lower surface, presence of mesophyll cell, and each mesophyll cell contain the chlorophyll or plastid or green colored organelle is called as a plastid, and each plastid is a double membrane, outer membrane as well as inner membrane. In between this membrane, presence of a fluid, they are called as a periplastidial fluid, and this space is called as a periplastidial space. Now inside this inner membrane, or both membrane is lipids and protein. Inside this inner membrane, presence of a proteinaceous or gel-like fluid, therefore they are also called as a stroma, and stroma embedded the number of stack-like structure or coin-like structure, therefore they are also called as a granum. Now this granum consists of number of thylakoids. Each thylakoid is covered up is double membrane, and these thylakoids or granum is interconnected with the help of this lamellae called as a intergranal lamellae or freight channel, or these are also called as a stroma lamellae. Now each thylakoid, double membrane, and the photosynthetic pigment or photosystems are located on the membranes of thylakoids, and inside this thylakoid it shows the small unit, they are also called as a contosome, and each contosome contain the chlorophyll pigments. In the center, presence of chlorophyll, they are the essential photosynthetic pigment, and surrounded by the accessory photosynthetic pigment, and they form the a photosystem. They are called as a photosynthetic, means photosynthetically active, or they are also called as a photosynthetic unit. Now inside this inner membrane, presence of fluid called as a stroma. It contains DNA as well as various types of enzymes, which are required to dark reaction. Hence dark reactions are takes place within the stroma. It is a site of dark reaction. And there is a contosome or thylakoid. There is contosome or there is a thylakoid. There are also site of light reaction. What is the site of light reaction? Means in this contosome, they trap the solar energy and convert into chemical energy, having only ability to contosome, not other. Therefore, this photosynthetic unit, what is the photosynthetic unit? There is thylakoid or contosome is a photosynthetic unit. These are the site of photosynthesis. Thank you.